Yep.
Skya, what is this? What is this? What? You want it back? You want it back?
Toshi!
Why is it spicy?
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this. Don't do it.
Excuse me, sir. Have you seen my fox? Anybody home? Have you seen my fox?
Excuse me, sir.
I know you're in there. Don't hide from me. Have you seen my fox? Yeah, you.
There he is! Get that baby, where's he going? Don't let him go back in the couch! You silly thing. I love you so. Oh, here he comes, look out! Here comes his best friend for the tackle!
Happy fox. Don't drool on him. That's gross. He's gonna be a slobbery fox.
Oh, where'd he go?
Bean, which way to go? No cares. Okay. Oh, I found him. Hi, baby.
What is this? Ben, I need to borrow some soap.
Oh, just a minute.
What? Dude, what are these?
Those are just
I said no more animals, dude.
I don't have any
What
more
are
animals,
you,
man.
wait? A possum?
What?
Where are you? Hey! Hi! Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Yeah. What? Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Can I see it? Can I see it?
What? What are you mad about? Okay. Well, I'm sorry you don't like the new... I know. I know it's another new puppy. And you thought that you were going to be just you and Tonks. But you're going to learn to love him and you're going to play. He's going to help you protect the house. He might even share his toys. What do you think? He might get cool toys that you wouldn't have gotten otherwise. What? What, you're still mad about it? You still don't want it? Oh, my goodness. What? What? I don't think that is inappropriate language, sir. You can be mad, but you can't be rude. Okay? You can have feelings, but you have to be nice. That's all I'm saying. A treat? Yes? totally fine. Okay, sit down.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
You're so flippin' cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, he's cute. Kawaii. Did I?
His name is John C.
Aww.
George, you get another gift. What's in there? We're struggling to get this one open. There we go. What is that? It's a message. Oh. George, you don't want your elephant? George, it's a message. Oh, he is cute. It's your new elephant. Give him kisses. Oh, that's so sweet. You like a new friend? You like a new friend, George? That's so sweet, George.
Midterm. What's that about? Stop it. Give me a kiss. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh.
This is a bunno, also called a bun and occasionally called a wabbit. But what's most important is to understand bunno anatomy. We start with the floppity loppities. Some bunnos have very droppy floppity loppities. Others have not so floppity loppities. Then there's the blinkers and the boople snoot, which is also called the wiggle sniffer.
Ducky, down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Can you do it again? Okay, down. Roll over. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good boy. Roll over. Keep going right here. Come on. Do you want it? Roll over. You can do it. You can do it. Ducky, right here. Right here. Come on. Go. Yeah, good. Good boy. You did it. Roll over. Okay, here. Come on. Over here. Over here. Over here, Ducky. Good boy. You guys, he did it. Ready, Ducky? Let's friggin' show them. Oh my God. Ducky, roll over. Good boy. That was so good. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Good job.
Good morning, Toby. This is from the mailman. Good boy.
What happened right there?
Skeeter bat.
What was it?
A skeeter bat.
A skeeter bat? Did it hurt?
Yep.
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we're in the shower.
Just to finishing touch of the smoothie. Just a finishing touch. Finishing touch of the smoothie. Time to try the smoothie. Very good.
Hey, Uno, you want some catnip? He's like, give me that catnip. Here you go.
You're so very happy, kitty.
All right, sir, I think you've had enough. Give me that. Oh. He's like, I'm not done yet, though.
New challenge. Use the Time Warp Scan filter and see if your dog or cat can sit as still as Bentley can.
It's the final brain cell.
Billy. 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 Billy.
Sit. Good boy. Bobby, spin. Good boy. Hey, you! What are you doing? Come here. Good girl. Come on, Tango. Good girl.
I just took a DNA test. Turns out I'm 100% squishy.
Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a